We went over the D7 chord last time, and the C chord is simply, you put your finger in the same place, your pointer finger, your first finger, the same place you did for the D7 chord. Second string, first fret, you take your middle finger and you go all the way up to the top on the second fret, that's the fourth string on the second fret, and you go all the way down to the bottom, the first string on the second fret, and it looks just like that. I'll put my fingers there. First finger, that's your pointer. Second finger goes up there. Third finger goes down there. And it sounds like this. I'm doing the exact same thing with my right hand. So your G chord is open, and this is your C chord. Again, that's pointer finger, second string, first fret, middle finger, fourth string, second fret, and ring finger, first string, second fret. And I'll show you a little song we can do with that. We'll use all three chords. We'll go. Froggy went a-courtin' and he did right, I'm on the G chord now. Froggy went a-courtin' and he did right, I'm on the D7 chord. Back to G. Froggy went a-courtin' and he did right, he had a short and pistol on my C chord. Back to the G chord. D7 chord, Rode right up to Miss Mousie's door, Rode right up to Miss Mousie's door, Rode right up to Miss Mousie's door, where he'd often been before, Okay, well there you've got the C chord, the D7 chord, and of course that good old G chord, which your banjo is already tuned to. So have fun with that, take your time. And of course I was doing a few little fancy things. I was going all on the fourth string. Well, I'd use the third afterwards. Fourth, then I go on the second fret, the fourth fret, and then the third string open. That's just a way of fancying up the G chord a little bit, and I'm not sure how well that came out in the video, but I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Have fun and keep on picking.